Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a wide-ranging tool that enables people to rethink how we integrate information, analyze data, and use the resulting insights to improve decision-making. AI is transforming every walk of life, from finance and healthcare to national security and education. In this section, we will explore how big AI could impact various domains such as healthcare, education, environment, economy, etc. Healthcare, AI can help improve the quality and accessibility of healthcare services, such as diagnosis, treatment, drug discovery, and patient care. AI can also help reduce costs and errors, and enhance patient outcomes and satisfaction. For example, AI can help diagnose diseases such as cancer or Alzheimer's by analyzing medical images or genomic data. AI can also help design personalized treatments based on individual characteristics and preferences. AI can also help discover new drugs by screening millions of molecules and predicting their effects. AI can also help monitor and assist patients at home or in remote areas, using wearable devices or chatbots. Education, AI can help improve the quality and accessibility of education services, such as learning, teaching, assessment, and administration. AI can also help personalize learning and foster lifelong learning. For example, AI can help create adaptive learning systems that tailor content and feedback to each learner's needs and goals. AI can also help teachers by providing them with tools and insights to enhance their pedagogy and classroom management. AI can also help assess learners' progress and skills using natural language processing or computer vision. AI can also help automate administrative tasks such as grading or scheduling. Environment, AI can help improve the quality and sustainability of environmental services, such as conservation, restoration, mitigation, and adaptation. AI can also help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and waste, and enhance resource efficiency and biodiversity. For example, AI can help monitor and protect wildlife and habitats using drones or satellites. AI can also help restore ecosystems by optimizing reforestation or restoration plans. AI can also help mitigate climate change by forecasting weather patterns or optimizing renewable energy sources. AI can also help adapt to climate change by predicting natural disasters or designing resilient infrastructure. Economy, AI can help improve the quality and productivity of economic services, such as manufacturing, agriculture, retail, transportation, and finance. AI can also help create new jobs and industries, and enhance innovation and competitiveness. For example, AI can help automate and optimize production processes using robotics or computer vision. AI can also help increase crop yields and reduce pests using precision agriculture or machine learning. AI can also help personalize customer experiences and recommendations using natural language processing or recommender systems. AI can also help improve mobility and safety using autonomous vehicles or smart traffic management. AI can also help enhance financial inclusion and security using biometrics or blockchain. These are just some of the examples of how big AI could impact various domains in the world. As we have seen, AI has the potential to create positive social change and improve human well-being across many sectors. However, AI also poses some challenges and risks that need to be addressed carefully and responsibly. In the next section, we will discuss some of the policy, regulatory, ethical, and social issues that arise from the development and deployment of big AI. Big AI, or artificial intelligence that can perform complex tasks across domains and contexts, could change the world in many ways. However, it could also pose ethical, social, and political risks that need to be addressed and mitigated. In this section, we will explore some of these risks and possible solutions or safeguards. One of the major ethical concerns of big AI is privacy and surveillance. Big AI relies on massive amounts of data to learn and improve, but this data often contains sensitive and personal information about individuals and groups. How can we ensure that big AI respects the privacy rights of data subjects and does not misuse or abuse their data for unauthorized or harmful purposes? How can we prevent big AI from enabling intrusive or oppressive surveillance by governments or corporations that could violate human dignity and autonomy? Some possible solutions or safeguards for privacy and surveillance include developing and enforcing clear and transparent data governance policies and standards that specify how data is collected, stored, shared, used, and deleted by big AI systems. Implementing technical measures such as encryption, anonymization, differential privacy, and federated learning to protect data from unauthorized access or leakage. Empowering data subjects with rights such as consent, access, correction, deletion, and portability to control their own data and how it is used by big AI systems. Establishing independent oversight mechanisms such as audits, inspections, and reviews to monitor and evaluate the compliance and performance of big AI systems with respect to privacy and surveillance. Another major ethical concern of big AI is bias and discrimination. Big AI can inherit or amplify human biases that are embedded in the data, algorithms, or processes that shape its decisions and actions. These biases can result in unfair or discriminatory outcomes for individuals or groups based on their characteristics such as race, gender, age, disability, or religion. How can we ensure that big AI is fair and inclusive and does not harm or disadvantage anyone based on their identity or background? How can we prevent big AI from reinforcing or creating social inequalities or injustices that could undermine human dignity and rights? Some possible solutions or safeguards for bias and discrimination include developing and applying ethical principles and frameworks that guide the design, development, and deployment of big AI systems with respect to fairness and inclusion. Implementing technical measures such as debiasing, explainability, accountability, and transparency to detect, correct, justify, and communicate the decisions and actions of big AI systems. Empowering affected stakeholders with rights such as participation, feedback, appeal, and redress to influence and challenge the decisions and actions of big AI systems. Establishing independent oversight mechanisms such as impact assessments, audits, inspections, and reviews to monitor and evaluate the compliance and performance of big AI systems with respect to bias and discrimination. A third major ethical concern of big AI is the role of human judgment. Big AI can perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence, expertise, or authority. This can raise questions about the limits and responsibilities of human delegation to big AI systems. How can we ensure that big AI respects the human values, norms, and preferences that shape our decisions and actions? How can we prevent big AI from undermining or replacing human agency, autonomy, or dignity in domains that are morally or socially significant? Some possible solutions or safeguards for the role of human judgment include developing and applying ethical principles and frameworks that guide the design, development, and deployment of big AI systems with respect to human values, norms, and preferences. Implementing technical measures such as alignment, verification, validation, and control to ensure that big AI systems are consistent, reliable, safe, and responsive to human inputs and feedbacks. Empowering human users with rights such as education, awareness, consent, and oversight to understand, agree with, and monitor the decisions and actions of big AI systems. Establishing independent oversight mechanisms such as ethics committees, boards, or councils to advise, regulate, and govern the use of big AI systems in domains that are morally or socially significant. In conclusion, big AI could change the world in many ways, but it could also pose ethical, social, and political risks that need to be addressed. By developing ethical principles and frameworks, implementing technical measures, empowering stakeholders, and establishing oversight mechanisms, we can ensure that big AI is used for good and not evil, for benefiting humanity, not harming it.